Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in my today's video, I will explain you how to unpack tuple in Python, right? So let's start our today's session. So what is unpacking a tuple? It is when we create a tuple, we normally assign values to it. This is called packing a tuple. As you can see the syntax or this example, fruits is equal to apple, banana and cherry are the three values assigned to it. So this tuple contains three items in it. So this definition or creation is actually called packing a tuple, or we have packed these values in this tuple. Okay, now in Python we are also allowed to extract the values back into variables. This is called unpacking. So how do we do unpacking? Right, we have three values in fruits, and then we assign these values to three different variables, and if we print out these variables separately, they will have the values assigned to them which were before there in the tuple. Okay, so one thing we should know or remember that these number of values or a number of variables should be equal to values in the tuple. If they are not, then what will happen or how we can handle that matter we will see in the next slide. Okay, so let's do an experiment. We will run this example and see how it performs. Okay, right. So okay, we are here. So we will run our Python, right, and we will make it smaller. Okay, right, we will say fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. So we have created this tuple with three values. If we print it, we have tuple with three values. Now what we are going to do, we are creating three variables, green, yellow and red, and assign and make them fruits equal to them. Like we are assigning fruits to these values and press enter. And now if I print green variable, I have apple in it, and if I print yellow, I have banana in it, and if I print red, I have cherry in it. So it means these values have been assigned to these variables. Okay, but if we print out our tuple, what's there? The actual values are there, right? And if we try yellow again, red, its value is cherry. So this is called unpacking of tuple. Next, see this important note at the end. The number of variables must match the number of values in the tuple. If not, you must use an asterisk to collect the remaining values as a list. Okay, what does it mean? Let's look at this second slide. Here we are using asterisk. What it will do, if the number of variables is less than the number of values, we can add asterisk to the variable name and the values will be assigned to the variables as a list. So in this example you can see we have an asterisk with the red. So it means green and yellow will have apple and banana, and the red will have rest of the values as a list, which is cherry, strawberry and raspberry. Okay, and next we have another topic. If like we use asterisk not at the end to some variable in the middle. For example, here we have topic. What will happen? Okay, if the static is added to another variable name, then the last Python will assign values to the variable until the number of values left matches the number of values left, right? Okay, so here we have this fruits tuple with 5 values. So we have a static with the topic, and green topic with static, and red is equal to fruits. What will happen? Apple will be assigned to green, red will be assigned to cherry, and middle 3 items, mango, papaya, and pineapple, will be assigned to topic. So this is how it will work. So we can do this experiment as well again. Okay, right, so we can, okay, so let's, fruits is equal to, we can say A for apple, and M for mango, and papaya, pineapple, cherry. Okay, so right, so we have this, and next we do is equal to we do green, static, tropic, red, fruits. Okay, now we print green, so we have apple, and then we print tropic, it is mango, papaya, and pineapple, and last is red, we have cherry in it. So I will wind up my video here. I hope you have learned this concept of packing and unpacking in Python for tuples. Okay, I'll be back with another video very soon. Till that time, take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.